Hello and welcome to DIY EV Mods. On this episode, we will be replacing my two bumper brackets. I did decide to replace this one. I know that I had said in a previous video I wasn't sure if I was going to or not, but I ordered it from Ford. It wasn't too expensive. So this one's going to be pretty easy, just 2 rivets to drill out and put back in. And again, this one, 1, 2, 3. And this one will come off and we'll rivet another one on that one. So let's get to work. Okay, so I've got the 3 rivets drilled out. Now it appears there's a clip back here I'm going to need to release. Okay, and then looks like a clip here. Maybe not, maybe that's the clip that holds the bumper. Maybe that rivet's not quite drilled out. Okay, so I'm going to do some more drilling on this rivet because it just doesn't seem to be loose. Okay, I did some more drilling on that rivet. And so that should just, that looks like these connect together. So this one here and this one here connects together. There's a clip right there. And because I'm going to be riveting this one anyway, I might as well just drill it out. Okay, so there's one rivet drilled out. And the rivet head is stuck to my drill. There we go. And then the other one. Okay. And there we go. It's off. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put this rivet into the rivet gun. Just like that. Give it some tension to hold it in place. Now I gotta put this piece up on here. I really need 2 hands for this. Hey, bud, come here. And then we're just gonna crank on it. Okay, maybe I'm not doing it right. I've never used this before, even though I've... Oh, there we go. I can feel something now. Now it's giving me some tension. Okay, I think I need 2 hands. Alright. I'm going to figure this out and I'll get back to you. And there we go. The first rivet is in. And it's holding. So now I just got to put the second rivet in. Before I put this second rivet in on this top piece, I actually decided I want to try to put this on first. And it looks like the easiest way to do it is to try to slide it on at the same time. Might have actually been easier to, might have been easier just to put these together and then start riveting it. I'm going to take this housing off because it appears to be getting in my way as I'm trying to slide this back together. I'm going to take the housing off and slide it together and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so now the assembly's out of the way. So now I can just, I'll have plenty of room to play with this here. And these tabs need to line up with this. And at the same time, I need to get that in there on this side. That little piece right here slides around here. So it might have been easier to put this all together and then rivet it in. So now I'm kind of fighting myself a little bit. But I'm gonna keep working at it and I'll get it on there. I would work on it with you guys on the screen, but I need 2 hands, so I'm gonna have to put you down. So I was right. There's little notches on the inside on this piece here that slide into there. And then again, there's a notch on this side that slides onto there. So it's all together now. So I just need to get out my rivet gun and get these riveted in place. There we go. I heard ratcheting on that one.
Me too. Is it supposed to ratchet?
Yeah, that's how it collects it.
But when it doesn't ratchet, it doesn't collect it.
Yeah, when it's not ratcheting, it doesn't seem to make a grip on it. I think what it is, I gotta make sure that I go all the way in. And that's why I was having troubles before, is I wasn't going all the way in. Now it's working great.
And last one. Last one to go. It's just me holding the phone. This should pop. Yep. Okay, are you done? Are you done with everything?
Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
So the brackets are mounted and ready.
And that is the finish.
And ready to accept the bumper. We will do that on the next video. If you like this video, please press the like button, hit subscribe, make sure you tap that bell so you get notified when a new video releases. And as always, thanks for watching.